In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Canva's new AI video generator works, and I'll guide you through the process of creating your own video in just 5 minutes. To get started, open your browser or the Canva app and head over to canva.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. Otherwise, you can easily create a free account in just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the option for Canva AI. This is where the magic happens. Select Canva AI and look for the Create a Video Clip option, which is located just below the type box. Here is where you'll input the idea for your video. Think about what you want your video to portray and type it out as a prompt. For example, you could write a short travel video in Japan with scenic shots. This gives the AI a clear idea of what you're envisioning. With your prompt in place, it's time to select the style and settings for your video. Choose the video ratio that best suits your platform. 16:9 is ideal for YouTube, while 9:16 works perfectly for TikTok. If you want to enhance your video further, consider adding background music or an AI-generated voiceover. These elements can add depth and engagement to your final product. Now you're ready to generate your video. Click on the Generate Video button and let Canva's AI do the work for you. The software will automatically create everything from clips to transitions and even text overlays. This is where the true power of Canva's AI comes into play, as it simplifies what traditionally could be a time-consuming editing process. Once your video is generated, take a moment to edit and customize it to your liking. You can trim clips to make them fit better, change any text that may need tweaking, and explore adding fun stickers or adjusting the music to better fit your mood. This personal touch ensures your video feels custom-made for your audience. Finally, when you're satisfied with your video, it's time to share it with the world. Click on the download button and choose MP4 as your format. If you're eager to post immediately, Canva also offers the option to share directly to your social media platforms. And there you have it. With Canva's AI video generator, creating professional-looking videos has never been easier or faster. Give it a try and see how it could transform your content creation process. Happy creating!